Hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
How are you?
Good, you? What's in the bag?
Surprise.
It's a surprise?
Surprise.
Surprise.
Went to the candy store, baby.
Hi, Willie Kid. What's in the bag?
We don't know yet.
Well, that's a lie. You opened it.
I was excited.
I know, because candy.
Surprise.
Because candy.
You went to the candy store in Kirkland Lake.
Yeah, what's the name of it?
Sweet shop or something like that?
I don't know.
It's a candy store in Kirkland Lake. You just gotta Google it.
Okay.
So I don't know what's in here. Other than, like, I've seen the word funfetti. Which is, oh, unicorns.
Funfetti.
Don't you share?
No. So what is funfetti?
It's cake mix, honey.
Okay.
I want to eat the whole cake.
Look at that. Strawberry cake and cupcake mix with candy bits by
one
Pillsbury.
I found one for you, but I'm going to eat one.
Okay.
Comes with its own song.
Yay.
Think of young Jeffrey.
I don't remember that.
I'm a peep.
Oh, dude. The Peeps Delight? I don't think I've seen these.
They're peppermint peeps, but they have chocolate dip bottoms.
Yeah, I definitely have not seen these.
Neither.
Dipped in dark. Oh, I'm allergic to them.
It's enough that you could probably still get away with it. Maybe those will get your fancy.
Ooh, Jolly Rancher gummies.
I'm down for that one.
Yeah, let me see. Jolly Rancher gummy, original flavors. With 100 calories. Fun dip. Does it come with 2 sticks or 1?
2.
Nice.
2, so you can split it.
Hand them to me so I can do this. So it's cherry orange grape or it's cherry orange grape Lickimade.
Or you can have raisin, cherries, and orange.
Oh. Hi, Willie Kit. Little.
I used to sell these at work.
What's that? Store. Candy cane spoon. You get 6.
I think we're having a peppermint coffee tomorrow.
That's
a thing, right?
Everything's a thing.
Double chocolate bomb made with Belgian chocolate. It's a hot chocolate bomb. Bomb to bomb to bomb. Oh, you can have this one. You can have this one. This is a throwback to the past, and I can still taste the waxy end on it.
Dude, heck yeah, I remember these.
Yeah.
These taste like garbage. They're called Astro. Whoa.
And if you have a sibling, they're a lot of fun to suck them until they're pointing like a dagger, and you stab your sibling with them.
Astro Pop Original.
So what I used to do is I used to get it to like needle point and then stab my brother.
Hi, Chi-Chi.
You might not remember because he was little.
Hi, Chi-Chi. A kitty in a video.
You watch candy too.
What's that?
Chocolate bar.
Flake by Cadbury. Any good?
I don't like those.
Is it dark chocolate or is it?
It's milk chocolate.
Best before 21/1/23. It's already expired.
It's still good. It's just the best before, not an expired.
Wait, would that be expired?
23, January 20.
January 21st, 2023. That'd be expired.
Yeah.
Yay, expired candy.
Banana Laffy Taffy.
That's huge. Nice.
I might claim that one as banana flavored.
I don't like banana flavored stuff. Reminds me too much of the banana flavored medicine.
Oh, it was my favorite as a kid.
What's that, Mamba?
I like these. Those are good.
18 fruit chews. There's 18 of them in there?
Yeah,
Wow.
and they come in lemon, raspberry, orange, and strawberry.
Nice.
Some nibs.
Nibs or Twizzlers nibs are always a win.
Very berry.
Nerd rope. I love that. I know, right? I love anything that's blue raspberry.
Yeah.
I do.
That's it.
So.
We should have bought 2.
Looking at all of this, Jen, is it worth $45 as advertised?
No, but it's $20. I'll definitely buy more.
So you don't think that's worth $45 like it's advertised on the bag?
No, but I definitely spent $20 on that.
Okay.
Although, I have to admit, a lot of my cheapness comes from the fact I work at a dollar store, so I can buy a lot of this stuff for...
Cheaper?
Not
But-
cheaper than $20. It's still
No.
going to be $20, but I can buy variations of all this for about the same price.
Okay. But you don't just work at Dollarama, Jen. You're the manager of Dollarama.
Yeah. I run the shit.
Yeah. You run that shit. And I'm starting a new job too.
Yeah.
Monday.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye.